Americans believe that everyone has rights. Americans believe that everyone has responsibilities. What are your rights? What are your responsibilities? At school, you have the right to learn. You have the responsibility to listen and do your best. At school, you have the right to be safe. You have the responsibility to follow the rules and not to hurt others. Do you know the golden rule? The golden rule says to treat others the way you want to be treated. At home, you have the right to have some fun. You have the responsibility to do your chores. At home, you have the right to be safe. You have the responsibility to be careful and follow the rules. Listen and follow along while your teacher reads each sentence. If the sentence tells something that is correct, circle yes. If the sentence tells something that is not correct, circle no. Americans believe that no one has rights. Yes, no. At school, you have the right to learn. Yes, no. The golden rule says to treat everyone the way you want to be treated. Yes, no.